guys, thanks for tuning in Coastside Family Adventures. We decided this would be a perfect day to go up with the aerial tramway. So we're making our way over there to the mountain, and I actually have been up there before, but Matt and the kids have never done this, so I'm super excited about showing them. They open at 10 o'clock during the week, but 8 o'clock on the weekend. Once you get to the gate, you're gonna pay for parking, and it's $8 for parking. We're here really early. It's not even 9 a.m. It's actually, even in the parking lot here, it's super steep to walk. It's like a climb. It doesn't look like it at all, but it is. All right, let's go in line.
Thank you. There you go.
Okay, we got the tickets, yay! There it is, look at it! Isn't that so cool?
Mommy, is that the thing that's gonna bring us there?
Yep.
That is way bigger than the entrance one.
Oh, yeah, that is much bigger. Maybe that was just a mini one in the entrance, just to kind of give you an idea. Look, isn't that so cool?
Yeah, let's go in!
Okay, you gotta wait your turn. You ready, Christian?
A little bit. Not necessarily. A little shaky.
You can do it. Go slow, Daniel. Daniel is so excited. Where is he?
Around to the other side also, folks. Please take off the backpacks.
Oh.
Anything on your back, please take off.
Okay, put it right here, Daniel. Put it right here. Take off your backpack. Oh boy, there it goes.
Hey, going up. I've never seen this before.
Hold on tight, Christian. Here, hold on to the bar right here. Hold on to the bar. It will turn around. You can see everything.
They're going so high up. Oh my. Are you going to zip line down?
Daniel wants to zip line down. Did you hear that?
Be really fast. It's going good for a while.
It's only 10 minutes.
Right now.
Okay, so the thing turns, and I think one turn is 5 minutes, so we get to turn all the way around 2 times.
So high up. That was a little bit scary, that big tower.
Yeah, I think there's a few more coming.
You're so high up.
Yep, we are.
I can't even walk.
Yeah, there's creeks back there.
I can walk.
I'm not that
You just don't want to look down that, because then you'll just get more scared. I'm not even scared.
Hold on, it's gonna bump. Hold on to me, hold on to me, hold on to me. Yeah, there's the tower. Whoa!
I'm not even scared anymore. I'm just gonna gnarly do it. Everything's normal now. Stop spinning. I'm not scared. Man. Just spinning.
Yeah, it's still spinning. We're not up there yet, Daniel. Look, we're still going up higher. Let's go out here, Daniel. Go out, go out. Wow. Isn't that amazing, Daniel?
Money.
Yeah, let me see if I have a quarter. Got it? Now look. Look in there.
Did you put money in?
Uh-huh.
Still no.
It's hard to see. Let Christian try. Okay guys, we're gonna go on a hike, and I probably will upload that video tomorrow. So if you are interested in the video of hiking up here, then tune in tomorrow for that video. Their butts are all wet from sliding on the snow. It's so funny.
This is amazing.
It is amazing. Okay, it's time to leave. We're waiting for the doors to open for us to go back on the tramway. The kids became junior rangers today. Let me see your badge, Christian. So tune in for that video, guys. I'm gonna probably upload that in a couple of days. How the kids became junior rangers.
Attention! I need quiet. And the reason I need quiet, because everyone in the sound of my voice will be a witness. We are swearing in 2 junior rangers right here.
It is coming up to pick us up.
There's 80 people on there.
Probably. That looks full. Wow.
Let's see. Let's see.
We got lucky this morning. Going down.
Oh, it is.
And it's staying here. Whoa.
You got music too. Yeah! This is so much better.
What?
Wherever we want to go. We're going to Oregon and Washington and Canada.
Here comes the band. Here comes the band.
We started at the beginning of the year, but we never
Look, this is the best.
Wow. There's a crowd in here. It's a crowd.
This is so awesome. Oh my big one. This is the big one.
It's like a roller coaster
I'm
ride.
not scared.
Good, yay!
Mr. Daniel.
There's one coming up, Daniel, look!
Wait. It's full of people.
Wow, that goes so fast! Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Coastside Family Adventures, right here in Palm Springs on this amazing aerial tramway ride.